Before watching this film, please read the disclaimer on the DigiDAD website.
Let's talk about bottle feeding your baby using mum's breast milk. Are you ready?
Born ready. I have heard of this. What's that called again?
It's called expressing.
That's it, like the fancy coffee, right?
Nearly, that's an espresso. Mum might decide to express milk if
Her breasts feel hard, tight or painful.
your baby is struggling to attach onto a nipple or suckler.
Mum wants to boost the amount of breast milk her body makes. Or mum can't be there, or maybe it's dad's turn to lead the feed. She can express breast milk by hand or using a hand operated or electric pump.
Whichever way mum decides to express milk, it's important to start by
Washing your hands?
nice one, yep. Every time and always cleaning your baby's feeding equipment, such as bottles and teats before sterilising.
You should sterilise all the feeding equipment until your baby is at least 12 months old, and there are 3 ways. A cold water sterilising solution, using a steam steriliser, or by boiling the equipment in a large pan of water for at least 10 minutes.
If your baby is hungry, they can drink the milk as soon as it has been expressed, or you can store it in the fridge or freezer in a special milk storage bag.
If you're not sure what the temperature is, make sure you use the milk within 3 days. But in the ice compartment of your fridge, expressed milk can be stored for up to 2 weeks.
And in a proper freezer, below 18 degrees Celsius, milk can be stored for up to 6 months.
To defrost the milk in a hurry, put the closed container in a jug of warm water or hold under running warm water. Then give the milk a gentle shake and pour it into a sterilised bottle.
How do I get the top on?
Okay, here's how. Hold onto the edge of the teat and fit it carefully onto the bottle.
You can feed express milk to your baby straight from the fridge, or warm it to body temperature by putting the bottle in a jug of warm water or hold under running warm water. First making sure that the lid is on the bottle to protect the teat.
Remember not to use a microwave to warm or defrost breast milk, as this can create hot spots, which can burn your baby's mouth. And hey presto, you're locked and loaded to be a clean, keen milk feeding machine.
Feed your baby when they show signs of being hungry, like moving their head and mouth around and sucking on fingers. This is called responsive feeding, and it's very important because a baby's stomach is small and they need to feed little and often.
Remember that crying is the last sign that your baby will give you that they are proper hungry. So try and feed your baby before they cry.
To feed your baby, hold them close in a semi-upright position so you can see their face. Now softly rub the teat of the bottle against their top lip before gently inserting the teat into their mouth, keeping the bottle slightly tipped to prevent the milk from flowing too fast.
Watch your baby closely and look for signs they need a break. Every baby is different, but they might open their fingers and toes, spill milk out of their mouths, turn their head or push the bottle away.
And never leave your baby alone to feed with a propped up bottle.
Your baby knows when they are full, so to stop there and throw away what's left. If you keep it simple and follow these rules, you should have one very happy and well-fed baby.
Mission complete.